Hey babe, have you seen my mobile charger? I left it on the table, but it's not there now.
Oh, your charger? I might have cleaned up a bit and kept it somewhere. You know how I am with keeping things organized.
Organized? More like hidden. I can never find anything in this house. It's like a treasure hunt every time I need something.
Treasure hunt can be fun. But I get it, you're frustrated. I just like to keep things tidy. Is that such a crime?
Tidy? It's like you have a secret mission to hide things from me. I mean, I appreciate cleanliness, but this is next level. Can't we just leave things where they are?
If I don't clean up, it'll look like a tornado hit our home. You wouldn't want that, would you?
No, but I also don't want to spend half my day searching for stuff. It's like you have a magic wand that makes things disappear.
Well, I do have some tricks up my sleeve. But seriously, I just want our home to look nice. Is that so wrong?
Nice is one thing, but losing my charger every day is another. Can we find a middle ground here?
Okay. How about we compromise? I'll try not to hide things too well. And you try to appreciate the effort I put into keeping our place spick and span.
Deal. But seriously, can we start with the charger? I need it, like, now.
Fine, I'll give you a hint. Check the drawer in the hallway.
The drawer in the hallway? Why would it be there?
Well, you never know. It might just be a new hiding spot.
Great, just what I needed. Another mystery location. But thanks for the hint.
Anytime, detective. Now, can we talk about how you can help me keep the house clean without complaining?
Fine, let's hear the master plan.
It's simple. If you see something lying around, just put it back where you think it belongs. And if you can't find it, ask me nicely, instead of accusing me of magic tricks.
So, I become your cleaning assistant?
More like a teamwork thing. We both keep our sanity, and our home stays clean. Deal?
Deal. As long as I can still find my stuff when I need it.
Deal. Now, let's find that charger, shall we?
Alright. Teamwork it is. But seriously, can we designate a special spot for my essentials? Like a no clean zone.
A no clean zone? That's a bit extreme, don't you think?
Extreme times call for extreme measures. I just want a place where I can always find my charger, keys, and wallet without a treasure hunt.
Okay, we can have a designated spot. But you have to promise to actually use it.
Deal. A compromise within a compromise. We're getting good at this, aren't we?
We sure are, partner. Now, let's declare the no clean zone and find that charger together.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.